I saw a video this week of a doctor warning people not to use AI for medical diagnosis. My first thought? I wonder how long her patients wait for an appointment. Because here's what I know from the other side of that argument. When I've had symptoms, AI has flagged things for me and led me to solutions when I would have otherwise had to wait for weeks to be seen, and so far, not once has it sent me off in the wrong direction. I mean, come on, before AI, didn't we all use Dr. Google? I'm sure I'm not alone in that. And hypochondria aside, knowing a handful of possibilities was always better than having no idea at all. Well, AI is simply a better, more informed version of that. In fact, there's research showing AI outperformed a group of doctors on diagnostic accuracy in controlled studies. I mean, think of it. Why wouldn't it? A general practitioner has to learn about the human body and then try to remember hundreds of conditions, symptoms, and solutions. This is exactly the type of work LLMs were designed for. And it's not just medicine. AI is making major inroads into law as well. In America, a woman used ChatGPT to defend herself in a legal case and won. The losing party's response wasn't to reflect on the outcome. It was to sue OpenAI for practicing law without a license. That reaction tells you all you need to know. Nobody was saying that AI wasn't good at law. They said it was so good that if it was going to give legal advice, that could win court cases. It was going to need a license to operate as a lawyer. Now listen, nobody's suggesting you ask a chatbot to perform surgery or ditch your legal team on a whim. That's a straw man argument, and the people making it know it. When your GP can't see you for 3 weeks, and you're lying awake at 2 a.m. trying to work out if 2 medications are safe to take together, what exactly is the responsible choice? Wait and worry, take them, and risk a dangerous reaction, or get an informed, detailed answer from which to decide right now for free? Same goes for legal questions. Solicitors at €300 an hour are not accessible to most people. Plaintiffs know this and often tie innocent people up in vexatious lawsuits which are legally weak, but they win just because the defendant can't afford competent legal advice. If AI can help someone understand their rights without bankrupting them, that's not reckless. That's the playing field getting a little more level. Listen, in my Spanish property business, I've been saying for decades that if my Spanish was good enough, I would pass the bar and free myself from the lazy, arrogant fuckwits who ruined many of my past deals and cost me millions of euros. Well, with the help of speciality AI, now I can. In fact, I asked my LLM a question of Spanish property law a few weeks ago, and when I cross-referenced it with my human lawyer friend, it was 100% correct. Spanish documents translated and a contentious, complicated aspect of Spanish property law clarified in seconds for less than €50 a month. Excuse me if I pay absolutely no attention to people who are trying to tell me not to do this. The information was always out there. These new AI systems just stopped making you pay someone else to retrieve it. The one caveat: use your common sense and check and verify every answer. If you do that, it's hard to go wrong. Think of AI like your mate in the pub. You know, the one who is an expert in everything and always ready with unsolicited advice. The only difference is that a good LLM actually will have a decent level of knowledge on most things. So if you double check their suggestions before making any life-changing decisions, you'll probably be just fine. So what do you think? Do you use AI for health or legal questions? Where do you draw the line on using AI and the safety of your health or the law? I'm genuinely interested in where people are landing on this one.